So the seniors match has started now. These are all under 18, I think. So you can see these senior players of Coco. Some are from under 14 as well, and some are from under 18 as well. So all are mixed here. You can see that is Raju who is attacking the player. Excellent! This is excellent! Out! Superb! That was not out. He almost got the player. You can see there both were clubbed, and the point was not there to taking. That's it. That is Dhanush, the player of. There you go. That is Nandishwar as well. Back-to-back points by these two senior players, but the point was not awarded to the Nandishwar. That's it. Simple. This time he got the point. Nandishwar is fast as a cheetah. That's it. Neeraj was okay. Good. Nandishwar again. Fast and of course. What is he doing? Not seeing the player. That is poor. There you go. Come on. That's simple. No, that is very intelligent by the defender there. So Gangadhar, what is he doing? That is missed there. Nandishwar is going fast. That's simple. Good fake. What is his name? I don't know. What? Zayan it is. Playing like a tiger. Not giving. There you go. That's the spirit. You have to be fast. That's a good fake by Zan. That's simple out. The tiger is there. So to attack. And the little cheetahs are coming. There you go. Fast attacking. Shabazz it is. Good fake. He's going to be out now. That's it. Simple. Raju it is. Running like a cheetah. And that's there on the pole. So you can see as fast as cheetahs. Okay, that's fast. Excellent fake from little cheetah Hema. But the tiger got him easily. You know, like this, if you play with the seniors, your speed will increase, your intelligent, like, you know, sixth sense and all will increase as fast as possible. If you're just playing with your friends like normal play, so you can't improve skills because you will feel like you are like more dominant with them. So these kind of skills you should have, how to dominate them. If you dominate these senior players, you will easily dominate the other players as well. And as you can see here, some players are there, they are not understanding what I'm saying, that's why they are just quiet, and the other players are asking to show them in this match. But you can see that is great. He's out of the court. Simple out. He's still going. That is really wrong. That's out. That is Ganesh there. So there you go, Srivastava out there on the pole. Let's fast. That is what we want here. Neeraj is doing good. Neeraj is doing good. That's go to Narendra out there. Excellent. He should have been attacked with the pole. Easily got the point. That's miss. And Srivastava, you know, the senior, the Coco captain. Let's see what will happen now. Can they get his point or not? That's the question. That's it. That is excellent. That's excellent fake by Srivastava, the tiger of this team. That running cheetah. Excellent fake once again. Nandishwar won't leave that opportunity. Grab it like a tiger. Excellent. Gangadhar, nice. Come on, Raju. Fast. That's good from Nandishwar once again. Running like a cheetah. You know why I'm comparing them with cheetahs? You can see the leg power, how they are moving in this ground. The fast power and all. The giving the fast, the accuracy. Nandishwar giving Come on, the last from second three. Let's see what will happen. Going for the fake and all, going into the court, making the course work for him. 3-6 journey in this court will make you play long. Otherwise, you will be short. That's it. Excellent fake. He is all out, I think, because the leg was up when the other leg was out of the court. But the other line umpire was not at present here, so he escaped with that gently. So let's see how much time he will play. Excellent fake. Gangadhar was dodged by there. You know, if he dodged Gangadhar, that means easy. Raju, come on, you can do it. Excellent cover up, but Raju didn't get that point. That's excellent from Neeraj. Excellent dodge once again. You know, the main player was there, and there he is playing with these players here, and Neeraj finally got him.
Brilliant, he was out it.
So there you go, Zan. Once again, they got 9 points in this time. Nandishwar, it is easy prey. That's it, got it.
Out it,
You can
name
see
is
it.
Rishindra.
Come on, you should believe. That's it. That's it. But point was not awarded. So that's really good from Rakshit there. So finally, the main player got the co. He is claiming the point. That's it. Point awarded to little Tiger Gangadhar. Zayan, it is the final one. So what will happen? Neeraj it is. Rakshit, Gangadhar, Dhanush, and simple for Nandishwar. Easy point. That's it, Dhanush. Another point easy. Perfect. Gangadhar, good fake. Gangadhar was
Fake, Rishit brother.
not able to get that point. Very poor.
Rishit is from.
So Raju it is. Nice dodge. That's Sema. Let's see. He's covering the line. Not able to get the point. Going fast. No. That's it. The time is up. Got more than 12 points, I think, here. These players. So the chasing has started. Hema it is to start this chase. So Rakshit running now, and they're planning to attack the other player. So let's see. That's really nice. Okay, what? That's it, out. The point was awarded. So Rakshit is running now. Nice escape. The player is so long. The pole touch was failed. And there you go. Hema it is given the core fast enough. That's Srivastava lazy. And let's see. There you go. Fast. That is what we want. Fast and accuracy. So the point will be awarded. Excellent pole touch. And the player is ready to leave the pole within time. Rakshit it is escaping now. Brilliant. Onto the pole. Quick enough. Nice escapes. That's a good one. That's really good. Onto the pole. Shabaz, nice. Running like a cheetah. Shabaz. Fast course. Working. Srivatsava, come on. You can get that point easily. That's a nice fake. That's really good from the defender here. Outplayed Srivatsava. That's fast. Come on. Point easy. Nice. Easy point. So the main players are entered. It's Gangadhar and Narendra. That's Raju onto the pole. Srivatsava with the co. Excellent co. Point awarded easily. That's what the intelligence. With that fast course, you should have to make easy points as well. With the co giving at the pole, the defender will confuse easily. So that is why when the main players are on the pole, you should be more careful. That's it. Hema is running. And Gangadhar escaping easy. That's perfect. So learn from Gangadhar how is it escaping. That's Narendra coming in the middle. That's simple. Narendra is gone. That's it, gone. That's it, gone. Yes, gone. That's very difficult for him to escape that one because he was trapped with the big player and the speed and agility caught him. Otherwise, you would have escaped easily. So Gangadhar, so make sure you put eye on him. How he is going to play this? That's brilliant. That's a foul. As we say, the brilliance, the commentators curse will lose them into the foul. So does Gangadhar survives and runs. Lazy go there. Gangadhar escaped easily from the pole. So main thing is at the pole how you are doing it, because if you are fast and accurate you can get the point very easily. So you should see that if the ko was given fast enough and Gangadhar was unable to take the control there at the pole. So just like that's it. The player should have make sure the situational awareness about what was going on and where is the defender is looking to escape. Otherwise, that's it. But the foul, otherwise, you see, that is what I'm talking about. Easy points are there for you. You can grab them. These are the players who are making the other players to know about how the play is going on and how to play as well. Just being in home after school will not make you a player. You should have to come to the ground. You should have to work out. You should have warmed up your body, running and all. Then you can play. You can learn more skills. You can become like them. Otherwise, you will end up losing the game. You see Gangadhar, the champion, the tiger. Learn from him. So easy. Even in that critical situation, he put his calm and running like a cheetah. Doing the fakes, working for him. That's it. The good dodge. The player is outplayed. Gangadhar is playing smart. That's it. That's Shabazz. Dodge it there. The other players are encouraging Gangadhar here. Running like a cheetah. There you go. That's a good fake once again. The players are unable to get the point from Gangadhar here. You can see again, nice dodge, easy. That's brilliance of Gangadhar. There you go. Finally, the cheetah is running. So the other ones enter into the game. He played almost 4 minutes, I think. You can calculate. So it's Hema versus Neeraj there. The co is giving. That's it. The others were going fast. Neeraj is good, fast enough to escape from being attacked. That's Srivastava. Given a brilliant co, he should have been out. That's it. What I am talking about, the co and coordination of these attackers, given that point, avoided easily. Because he is the main player of this team. They got him in within 1 minute. It is not easy. That's Nandishwar on the pole. Let's see how much time will he be able to get the time killed. So does the other players going to attack him and get him fast as possible. Nandishwar it is trying the fakes, making the co working for him. Not seeing. That's brilliance of Nandishwar working on the ground. Hema it is trying her best. That's it, simple. It's Shabazz now. So co is awarded. Passing the co fast enough. Come on guys, you can get the points. If you are just seeing like this, you won't get that point. You should have to be fast enough to get this point. Let's see. That's a good dodge to minimize the attacker's speed. Working for his. That's it. They have done it easily. So it worked for them. So it started the third innings. That's Ganesh and Srivatsava. Let's see how they will play now. You can see this is. There you go. So fast. Fast. That's Neeraj with that dive. Risked all. That's Nandishwar. So the chances are there, but they are missing them. That's a nice fake. It's luck for Ganesh. Otherwise, easy point there. That's it. Simple. That's it. There you go. Fast. The pole is there for attackers to get some points. So the dive given the point. That is what I'm just explaining you. Always focus on the pole. Don't let the player get out. Miss the pole. Just make them to corner them at the pole. You will have the chance of getting them out. So it's playing now. The focus should be clear to get as many points as you can. Fast co-miss means the chance is also missed. The player will get some more time to get to the other pole. That's as simple as that. So you have the chance now. That's a fake from Srivatsava, making sure to not going towards the pole. Got that miss point. Nice fake, easy out for Dhanush. The senior player got him with prey easily. So they are becoming the prey for the attackers because they are not moving quickly at the main players. The remaining players you can get more points, but the other players won't give you that much efforts. So you should eye on them. Where are the loose players are with no confidence. So you can easily see in their eyes. So that's nice line cover, but point was not taken. That's that is what I'm talking about. You should make sure that get the point after doing so much efforts. So if you are not getting the point means you are wasting the time for your team. So you will end up in a losing cause. That is what important when you are playing with a team. All team coordination together only you can make sure to get more points. Nandishwar is claiming it, but point was awarded. That's nice from Nandishwar. Excellent. Out. Going fast. Nice go. Looking for the player there. Nice fake. So this is what I'm saying. If you are doing these fouls, you will end up losing time for your team. Ending up losing. That's why you should be focused and not to make any mistakes. That was not good by the defender. He was throwing the other one. That is poor running. So Ko is given but is not fast to react. You can see, that's what I'm saying. Easy, not giving any course. And fast. Excellent game. Going for other player. Easy point. So you should be quick and the players are fast. Guys, point given. And there you go. It's Gangadhar. Easy point. Excellent. Gangadhar is on fire here. Got the point easily. That's a nice fake. So we'll see what will happen. Going fast. That's it, out. You can tell that easily. Going for the pole now. That's simple. Doing the fake. He is out easily. Should have been given that fake earlier, but took the time. That's made them react simply. So that's it. That is what I'm saying. If you do the fake earlier, the attacker will confuse just like that. If you giving his time, so what he will do, he will take that line cover and end up coming to you. So you should have to run fast. So just make sure you are giving the fake earlier when the Ko was giving. So now that's it. Simple. Even after taking the line, the fake worked. Once again, it worked for the defender. So it's going really nice now. Pole touch, missed there. Ganesh, fast. That's perfect from the defenders. Clubbing and moving them to react well. That's a good one. That's really good. That was missed there. The opportunity is there. Gangadhar missed once again. The defenders are on fire, not giving any single point. There you go. That's what I'm saying. So you can see the attacker was down on the ground, not good enough to take that point. That is what I'm saying. You should give that early fake. The attacker will confused and fall on the ground. So just like that, point was awarded. He was stopped there for a bit, but the attacker is a senior player, so he will not do that blunder. So you can see who is a skilled player and who is just a normal player. With that running skill, simple out. It's Srivatsava taking his time now. That's it. The time is up now. So as of now, these attackers need to score 17 points to win the match. If they score 16, it will be a tie. And as these defenders has to do is defend it under 16 to win this match. So they will win easily. That's it. It has started. The attackers, you know the target. It's cold for us, but not for you. You are on fire. Nice, nice, excellent go from Shabaz and from Ganesh pole touch. Excellent go. That's easy, but point. That's it. The same coordination worked again against Neeraj. Let's see. First point was awarded. More 16 points to win this match. Only 16 points. Let's see. Nice, nice fake from Nandeshwar. Excellent running. There you go. That's fake. The fake of the game, you can say it as. That's it. On to the pole. They are working hard. That's it. Fakes and all. Nandeshwar playing easily to win the game for their team. So the target is 16 points for them. So the time is running up now. Can these players make it work by getting more points? Hema is here giving the co. Simple. Co is given again. It's Shabaz going to give the co. Hema running fast. Not enough speed. She got to get the point there. That's it. Going simple and accurate. Nandeshwar killing all the time for his team. Not giving any space of chance. So you see here itself 5 seconds are wasted with that one. So you should make sure to get points, not killing time, or otherwise make chances of getting points. That's it. Foul. He has the chance to get a point, but not quick enough to stretch the hand there to get the touch point. So you should be fast. The rule is you should have to touch the player, only then the point will be awarded. So if you touch the player with your leg, it won't be given out. So note it down in Coco. 3 minutes are already up. They have given only single point. Nandeshwar is taking all their power. You can see them. They are just sitting there and watching Nandeshwar run against their team, not making any moves here. It's So can she get the point? No, not quick enough. Shabaz missed the chance. He is exhausted. You can see he is doing the rings and fakes. He is exhausted. Easy point. That's it. Finally. So the senior player Dhanush is onto the pole. So let's see. At least can they get this point? Let's see. How much time will he place? You should have to be quick to get this senior player out. And the main player of Korutla as well. That's it. Not easy. You can see he has the chance. No, that is the power of senior players. So Srivatsava missed the chance. There you go. That is what I'm saying. Not 16 points, like the more 15 points. Let's say just this point, just this player. Can they take this point or not? Just this player. If they get him, is it done? No. Not quick enough or not accurate enough. That's advanced. Even with that also, they are not able to get the point. So lazy. And wondering what is happening. He's still running from past 2 minutes, I think. So killing the time. And you can see their teammates are just hanging up here, like just sitting here and taking their time and just chatting about something else. And the main player is playing like a tiger. So that is why you should have a excellent skillful player runner to give your time. So to play like that, you can see here what are these players are doing in the game. While the game is running up, these players are sitting here and talking about gossips, not watching the game. That is very poor by these players. Let's see. There you go. Excellent pole touch, but the grip was not there. So the senior is running and making everyone learn how to escape, giving the chance to get his point. Still no point. That is very poor from Shabaz. What is he doing there? He's giving the chances to them. Still they are unable to get the point. That is what I'm saying. You can see what is he doing. You should have attacked him easily. That's very poor attacking from these players. There you go. That's what you should do when you are feeling exhausted. Do the rings, do the fakes, go to the pole. That's risky a bit, but you are confident enough, you can escape just like that. Once again, going again, foul. So these fouls are not happening from the past 2 minutes, I think. So still with no fouls, he is playing like that. That means just imagine if you are playing confident when the fouls happens like that. Imagine how much time will you play in this Coco game. So all you should have is some confidence and some stamina and some luck as well. That's it. They won the match easily. These are the players who won this match with almost 15 points difference. That is what all about. And the senior players,
I am the winner.
and that's worked for them. They are celebrating.
Dum dum